Good morning, everyone. My name is Rhea, and this is day 8 of my daily planning series. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and we will dive right in. I'm gonna open my bullet journal up and we will look at the daily pages. And let's start with looking at yesterday. I did my Pilates session. I also went on my 6K run. I edited the video that I was uploading yesterday, and also the daily planning video. Uploaded those 2 videos. And of course I created a thumbnail before uploading. And my lovely, lovely mother cleaned my bike. Okay, and I don't have enough space to start today's list, so we are gonna move to the next page. I don't have any task to migrate, so let's look at the daily page. And I think the only thing that is on my to-do list for today is my yoga session. So I'm gonna add the yoga session to my to-do list. I also need to post my March setup pics to Instagram. I have a ton of laundry waiting for me. And if you have seen my video that I uploaded yesterday, I will link it down below and also in the eye over there. Then you'd know that I'm doing a big spring cleaning, and we will start today by cleaning our car. And this is my list for today. It is short and sweet, but it's the weekend. And yesterday was a very long day for me. So today I'm just keeping it simple and very short with the tasks. Okay, let's add the weather. I'm gonna check real quick. And it will be partly sunny and partly cloudy. So let's add this to the page. And I totally forgot that I need to edit and upload this video, so I'm gonna add this in as well. Okay, I'm gonna look at my schedule for today. I am adding my sleep and my morning and night routine. But as it is Saturday, I don't think that I'm gonna start my night routine at 9. Maybe it will be 10 or 11. Let's just see. Maybe I will be so exhausted that I'm gonna start it at 9. That's okay too. I'm only gonna edit and upload this video, so maybe I will be done by 12. And I'm adding purple for the household stuff. So I will have a little lunch break, and I think we're gonna start at maybe about 1. And I'm gonna do my my yoga session in the evening, right here. I'm gonna flip to the front of my journal, and I'm gonna color in my Pilates session and also my second run of week 4. I just need to do my yoga session today, and then tomorrow I will have a rest day, and then we will start week 5 fresh on Monday. I'm gonna look at Strava real quick. So yesterday was a 6K run. I ran a total of 11.24 kilometers this week. And I'm gonna add my run to my running statistics. Okay, let's look at our monthly pages. Okay, I'm very proud for uploading 2 videos to YouTube, my daily planning series video and also my spring cleaning video. I'm gonna check my habits real quick. Okay, as you can see, I again didn't practice piano. I need to improve in this area. I was working pretty much the whole day and I didn't socialize. I forgot to take my vitamins. I need to take them today. And I'm gonna add my pages real quick and you will be very, very proud of me because drum roll, I managed to read 2 whole pages before I fell asleep. But hey, it's better than nothing. I did read those 2 pages in this book, and as you can see, I'm not far along, so maybe today I have the time to continue reading in this one. But the start of the story is a little bit confusing, so maybe if I'm a little more into the story I will understand more. But right now it's just a bit chaotic, and there's one name that I don't understand. I don't know who that is, but let's see. I think I'm gonna make an effort today and I try to read at least a few chapters in this book. And now a small City of Bones update. I'm currently on page 44 and I finished chapter 2. I'm gonna flip through real quick so you can see a bit of my annotating. Oh, and this is my key that I'm using, if you're wondering, and I have the feeling that I'm annotating a bit too much. But then I'm thinking, it's my book. If I want to annotate this many things, then why not? And I really love how the pages look with the little post-its. Those are the post-its that I am using. I will link it down below. And those are the highlighters. They don't bleed through the pages and the pages are very thin. And you can also erase them. I will also link them down below and I do very recommend them. Let's keep bullet journaling and we will move on to the sleep tracker. First of all, I did realize that I put in 6 hours yesterday and I told you that I only slept 5.5 hours. So let's correct this. Okay, and for today I'm gonna add 9 hours, which I'm very proud of. And screen time was again 2.5 hours, but remember I do use my phone to do my Pilates sessions. They are on my phone, so it will always be a little higher when I'm doing exercises. And we're gonna move on to the, I wanna say gratitude page, it's the mood mandala. And yesterday I was feeling okay. Let's add yellow to the mood mandala. Ooh, I love how the mandala is turning out. So pretty. Yesterday I was editing videos most of the day and it was so much fun. So I'm very thankful for editing my videos. Great, let's add yesterday's run. It was the 2nd run of the month and yesterday was the 7th of March 2025. I ran a total of 6 kilometers and 10 meters and my total time was 40 minutes and 4 seconds. And this was technically a long run with negative splits. So I'm gonna add negative splits. This means that I'm starting slower and then I'm increasing my speed, and I increased my speed every 2 kilometers. And it was very hard. And that's it for today's daily planning video. I'm gonna close my bullet journal real quick. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. Have a great Saturday, and we will see each other again tomorrow morning. Bye everyone!